inspector!
Hi friends, I'm Ivan the Inspector, and today we're going to be inspecting an excavator! Won't you come along and learn with me? Great! This is going to be the greatest thing ever. I'm so excited. Have you ever seen one of these before? So it's called an excavator. Let's see what different parts we have here. So down here, we have the track. You see that? It's got all these grips. That's how it can move around. The grips kind of grip the ground. What else do we have? Look at this. Whoa, look how long this is. This is called a dozer blade. It kind of pushes the dirt forward and keeps it nice and flat. But here's the real fun. Look at this. This is called the bucket. Look at that, you can fit dirt in here. Oh, that's awesome. And then look at this, this is called the thumb because it goes down and it holds on to things. Isn't that awesome? What else do we have here? Right here, this is called the arm. Just like us, we've got a couple of those, right? That's what's actually gonna go down and pick up the dirt. Let's check out something really fun back here. It's the engine. You ready for this? Oh, it's so loud. Got the engine in there and look at that. It's a battery. So fun. All right, let's see if we can close this. Hold on. There we go. And close it up. Oh, that was awesome. Let's see what else we have here. What colors do we see? Got the yellow and black and a little bit of gray. And look at this up here. It's red. Way to go, we've got a lot of colors. Can you see how much this is shaking? It's moving so much, it's great. Well, hey, before we get in, why don't we take a quick dance break? Get up and dance with me. Come on, let's go. I feel so much better after that dance break. Got all the wiggles out. Hey, are you ready to jump into this excavator? I'm so excited. All right, we gotta step on the track there, pull ourselves up, and sit down. Whoa! All right, we gotta put this down. We'll lift this up. All right, so we got a couple of different things here. Come look at this. Right here, we've got a couple of controls that are gonna help us move. All right, so we're gonna go backwards. You ready? Backwards, so bumpy. All right, and then we can go forwards, just like that. Whoa, whoa! We'll stop right there. All right, this lever puts down the dozer blade. You ready? Look at it. It's gonna go down, just like that. Perfect, that'll lift us up a little bit. All right, let's see, what else do we have here? I wonder what this button does. That was awesome. All right. So now we've got a couple of these joysticks. Let's see what they do. Look at us, we're spinning. Wow, whee! That was awesome, this thing can spin all the way around. All right, let's see if we can actually make this dig. That's what we're all here for, right? All right, so that goes up that way, and it goes up that way. All right, gonna lower the bucket. Here we go. Whoa! Look at that! We're getting some of the ground. Whoa! Look at it! We've got so much dirt in the bucket. Oh, look at that! We crushed it with the thumb. All right, ready for this? I'm coming towards you. There we go, and then let's try and dump it. You ready? Here we go. Put it back like this, a little bit over, and dump it. Wow! All All right, let's do it again. You ready for this? Here we go, here we go. All right, open it up a little bit. Put it down. Let's dig into the ground. And then turn it like that. Oh boy, here we go. Whoa! All right, put it that way, up a little bit. Coming your way again, here we go. Let's see if we can get it over that and then dump it. Wow, look at the big pile we're making. All right, let's go back over here. Oh, this is so much fun. All right, here we go, into the ground. Push into the ground. Whoa. And scoop it up. Wow, look at that, we got some grass in there. All right, raise this up. You lift me up. And then dump me out, you ready? Oh, hold on, gotta go that way. So awesome! All right, here we go. Lower it down. Look at that, and then let's crush it with the thumb. You ready? Woo! Look at that! All right, let's lift it up. Here we go. Whoa! All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get it on the pile. You ready? On the pile. Lift up the thumb and dump it. Woo! That's awesome. Let's see if we can dig one more. You ready? Here, let's bring it in. You ready? Watch it push into the ground. Here we go. Oh! Lift it up. And we're gonna push it and push it like that. All right, here we go. Can we dump it? You ready? 1, 2, 3, dump.
I've got a project, give me a hand. I need some help to dig up this land. We need something really big. Look, an excavator, let's go dig in the dirt. We're moving all the dirt in our excavator. Moving all the dirt. We're moving all the dirt. We're moving all the dirt in our excavator. Moving all the dirt. This excavator can dig up the land with a bucket to move the sand. Look, it has tracks for travel. Move it over there to get the gravel or dirt. We're digging in the dirt in our excavator. Digging in the dirt. We're digging in the dirt. We're digging in the dirt in our excavator. We're digging in the dirt. Move back and forth, spin all around. We are gonna tear up this ground. We are having so much fun. Won't be long till we are done in the dirt. We're playing in the dirt in our excavator. Playing in the dirt. We're playing in the dirt. We're playing in the dirt in our excavator. We're playing in the dirt.
That's awesome. Hey, I have an idea. Let's see if we can push this pile of dirt around. You ready for this? Here we go. Go like this. All right, we got the bucket in place. We're gonna move this down a little bit. Are you ready for this? We're gonna try and move the pile of dirt. You ready? Whoa! Oh, that was awesome! Let's see if we can do it again. We can kind of fill up the hole. All right, like this. Are you ready? Here we go. Woo! All right, let's do this. Lift it up a little bit. There we go. Whoa! Let's lift that up. All right, let's push this out a little bit. And pushing that dirt around. Wow! This is so much fun playing in the dirt. All right, here we go. Let's move it a little closer to us. Move this around a little bit. Look at all that dirt getting pushed around by the excavator. All right, let's pull it a little closer. Here we go. Look at that! This is so cool. Let's see if we can squish some of this dirt down. Let's try that. Ready? Whoa! Wow! Ready for this? Here we go. Whoa! Pushing that dirt around, and then what about this dirt here? Ready for this? Let's go over here. Woo! All right, here we go, here we go. Push this down just a little bit. Here we go, let's push it over. Whoa, look at that, there's a pink thing in there. And all the way over, whee! And back a little bit more. Here we go. That's looking great. What if we dug some of this over here and put it over there? You ready? Let's do this. Here we go. Hold on. And we'll open it up. And we got to push it down. Ready for this? Whoa. Look at that. And let's lift it up. Wow. Look at that! We picked up all this dirt, and look at this, we even got some grass in there! That's so awesome! This is so much fun playing in the dirt with the excavator! Why, thank you so much for coming along and learning about excavators with me today. If you'd like to check out more of my episodes, type in Ivan the Inspector. Bye!
Ivan the Inspector!